Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Rick in Kansas on this RCI-6300F. Rick got it repaired for you, transmitting like it should, receiving now, as well as full alignment. Also the voltage regulator upgrade and the electrolytic capacitor upgrade. Let me just address one thing here first. A lot of these radios get a bad rap, especially the sideband models, for drifting. And some of them do drift. However, most of the time the biggest culprit is just the counter itself drifting. We're still 0 beat, but yet the counter is showing 5-1, and in a few minutes it'll show 5-0. It's just a heating up and cooling down of the components on the counter board. Of course, you could technically be off, a whole lot. I'll just put it that way instead of getting into technical terms, and never ever notice a difference on AM. Okay, so let's just get right to it with the RF power all the way down. This is a dual final radio, 1969s. It's a half a watt all the way down, and then 5 watts all the way up. I'll go over here to 50 watt slug on average power. Low, we're hitting about 18 bird. What does it equate to in peak power? Low, and a good clean 40 PEP. Roll the RF power all the way down, half a watt. Hello, still swinging the 40. Alrighty, my friends, ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it and appreciate your patience. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.